discover the hidden gem of Kolkata Gardens. Join me as I dive into the heart of Kolkata to uncover a hidden gem in the garden that most people don't even know exists. For examples, Botanical Gardens and the Great Banyan Tree, Eden Gardens, Agri Horticultural Society of India, Rabindra Sarobar, also known as Lake Gardens, Eco Park, and Gandhi Ghat in Barakpur. In short, I will tell you about these gardens, Botanical Gardens and the Great Banyan Tree. Kolkata's Botanical Gardens are home to one of the largest banyan trees in the world, spanning over 14,000 square meters. This single tree, over 250 years old, looks like a small forest due to its extensive aerial roots. Eden Gardens. Known worldwide as a cricket stadium, Eden Gardens also started as a serene garden space designed by the British in the 1840s. Its lush surroundings once hosted aristocrats and still have remnants of beautiful garden spaces, providing a green haven in the city. Established in 1820, the Agri Horticultural Society of India is one of the country's oldest horticultural societies. It not only preserves rare plants, but also houses a museum with antique horticultural tools and fascinating records on Indian plant history. Often called the lungs of South Kolkata, Rabindra Sarobar, or Lake Gardens, is a large artificial lake surrounded by meticulously maintained gardens. It offers a peaceful escape for locals and hosts hundreds of migratory birds in winter. A modern addition to Kolkata, Eco Park is the largest urban park in India. It features themed gardens, such as the Butterfly Garden and the Seven Wonders Park, where you can see replicas of the world's wonders, all amidst lush green landscapes. Situated by the side of the river Ganges, Gandhi Ghat in Barakpur holds the most beautiful collection of roses. Let us rewind the history of these gardens. JC. Bose Botanical Garden. The first botanical garden of India was founded in 1787 by an army officer of the East India Company named Colonel Robert Kidd in Kolkata. The primary purpose for establishing the garden was for identifying new plant species such as teak, which have significant economic value and grow them on a commercial scale for trade. It was then named Royal Botanic Garden, Calcutta. Later, the name was changed to Calcutta Botanical Garden and then Indian Botanic Garden. On the 25th of June 2009, the name was finally changed to the Acharya Jagadish Chandra Bose Botanic Garden in honor of Jagadish Chandra Bose, a Bengali botanist, physicist, and an early writer of science fiction. Over 12,000 specimens of rare plants are housed in the gardens, covering 109 hectares. Under the Ministry of Environment and Forests of India, the Botanical Survey of India manages the center. But the garden's most stunning spot is without a doubt its majestic glasshouse. This stunning structure is home to a variety of exotic plants from around the world, including rare orchids, ferns, and palms. As you step inside, you'll be transported to a tropical paradise, complete with dripping waterfalls and misty walkways. It's an unforgettable experience that will leave you in awe of the beauty of nature. Eden Gardens. This iconic cricket stadium was originally called the Auckland Circus Gardens, but was renamed in 1841. The stadium hosted the first Test match in 1934, the first one-day international in 1987, and the first T20 international in 2011. Eden Gardens is often referred to as the home of Indian cricket, and has also been described as cricket's answer to the Colosseum and called the Mecca of Indian cricket, due to it being the first purpose-built ground for the sport. Eden Gardens has hosted matches in major international competitions including the World Cup, World 2020, and Asia Cup. In 1987, Eden Gardens became the second stadium to host a World Cup final. The 2016 ICC World 2020 final was held at the stadium, with the West Indies beating England in a closely fought encounter. Eden Gardens witnessed a record crowd of 110,564 in the 1996 India vs Sri Lanka Cricket World Cup semi-final. The stadium was established in 1864. The origins of its name are uncertain. According to some, the stadium is named after the Eden Gardens Park, where it is located. Itself named after the Eden sisters Emily and Fanny of Lord Auckland, the Governor-General of India from 1836 to 1842. Initially named the Auckland Circus Gardens, the park was renamed to the Eden Gardens in 1841. However, according to popular culture, Babu Rajchandra Das, the zamindar of Janbazar, Kolkata, and husband of Rani Rashmoni, gifted one of his biggest gardens, Marbagan, besides the river Hooghly, to Lord Auckland and his sister Emily Eden in gratitude for their help in saving his third daughter from a fatal disease. The garden was then renamed to the Eden Gardens. 16 people were killed in a stampede and riot inside Eden Gardens during a Mohan Bagan East Bengal Calcutta Football League match on the 16th of August 1980. The stadium is the headquarters of the Cricket Association of Bengal. Apart from international matches, the stadium hosts the Bengal cricket team and the Kolkata Knight Riders, an Indian Premier League franchise. The stadium's clubhouse is named after former Chief Minister of West Bengal Dr. B.C. Roy. The Agri Horticultural Society of India was founded in 1820 by William Carey on Alipore Road, Kolkata. It has a flower garden, greenhouses, a research laboratory, and a library. It houses a massive collection of plants and flowers and features a significant collection of botanical varieties, including Canis, for which it has a long and distinguished tradition, with facilities for gardeners and plant or flower lovers. Rabindra Sarovar is also known as Lake Gardens. It's a beautiful park maintained by the corporation beside the lake. Couples enjoy sitting in and chatting. It's also a nice option for aged persons for morning and evening walks. The beautiful park and fresh air are definitely a plus. Built in 1948, the year the father of the nation died, the monument on the banks of the river Hooghly and the sprawling garden, Jawahar Kunch, maintained by the State Forest Department, can offer a day's respite to city dwellers. It was inaugurated by Pitan Jawaharlal Nehru. The tomb was built in the memory of Mahatma Gandhi. A lush green garden dotted with 120 varieties of roses, exquisite plants and trees, a picturesque sunset, and an exciting riverfront, the Gandhi Ghat package is good enough to entice you to break free from crowded Kolkata and set off for Barrackpore, around 30 kilometers north from the heart of the city. Although there's a common misconception that all beautiful spots in Kolkata are overcrowded, this garden offers a peaceful alternative. So here is my call to action for you. I encourage all my viewers to comment on their favorite gardens, subscribe to the channel for more hidden gems, and check out another video featuring Kolkata attractions. Also, please put your like if you really